What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. So this week haven't really been the best of weeks. The market has been presenting less trade opportunities this week, and the very few the market presented haven't really been going too good. So I've traded less this week. Some weeks are like that, yeah. So I'm currently on a buy trade on VIX 101S index, which I expect this index to buy from my buy zone. Trade is still on my entry point. So I've been on this trade for close to an hour, which market has been playing around on my buy entry level. I still expect the buys on this index regardless of price playing around, and my stop loss is at this point. I got multiple positions entry here, and I'm risking about 300 USD on my 500 USD capital on this index. So what's my view and analysis on VIX 101S index? Why do I expect the buys from that level? So looking at the daily time frame charts, you can see that this index has been selling for a very long time. This index has been on a bearish run, creating lower highs and lower lows formation. Whenever I go to a higher time frame, the first thing I do is to spot the market direction, the general market direction, basically. Right, so this is the general market direction of the market on the volatility 101S index. Markets on a downtrend, creating lower highs and lower lows formation, and it seems like we got a break of our trend resistance level. This trend resistance level got broken, which I expect the bullish reversal. Basically, I'm anticipating on a bullish reversal on this index in the coming days and weeks and months. After we got the break of this trend on the daily time frame, this bigger trend, right? The market created an uptrend market here, which we can see on the 4-hour time frame. We got an uptrend market here, which price was creating higher highs and higher lows formation, pushing to the upside. We had an increase in price value at this point from this zone, from these lows to these highs. There was an increase in price value. I think the value of these lows was at price value here is 333.39. Let me see, 336, right? And we had an increase in price value to the value of 501, 500 value. From 300 to 500, we had an increase in price value. So from this then 500, we had a decrease in price value, which market fell to the downside. Price fell back to 348, which you can see price fell back to 348. So on getting market for price pushed on a downtrend, we had this downtrend market, which market was creating lower highs and lower lows formation. So here we also got a decrease in price, an increase in price value from the level of 300 and from the level of 300, yeah, 300 level. We had an increase in price value, which market shifted from a downtrend market to an uptrend market here. So this current phase of the market is what gave me the buy expectations on this index. Is one of the main reasons why I'm looking out for buy opportunities on Volatility 101S index from the zone. Because looking at the phases of the market on the 4-hour time frame, we first got this uptrend phase, then a downtrend phase, then an uptrend phase, which I expect market to keep pushing up to these previous highs, at least price to push up to these previous highs, the highs of 500, the 500 value level, right? That's what I expect this index to push up to. So my buy entry has to do with this level that got broken, this important level, a level that market has always expected. Checking previous moves, we got the reaction here, resistance. Let's mark it out. Resistance there, support at this point, support at this point as well. Resistance, reaction here. Market sold, resistance, resistance here too. Resistance here as well. Resistance at this point. So this is a level that market has always expected in the past. And if you've been following me up for some time, you would know that I'm a zone trader. I trade on zones and levels. So having that this is a zone that market has respected and price took into the zone, reacted on intersect support. We had this break of this level, break and retest support with an order block formation that followed up on the 4-hour time frame. So this order block formation caught my interest on this level. So I expect this index to buy from that zone in the coming hours and days, basically. Regardless of this retracement, I feel like the bulls are building up their buying power. The buying move is still expected, right? My stop loss is on a good zone. The buying move is expected on the Volatility 101S index. So I got my entries here about $300 risk on my $500 capital. So let's see how this trade plays out. And see, I have multiple positions because I always want to take out something out of the market on how the market is, on how trade is playing out. All right, so we got a level here, which is likely to be my first target level on this buy trade. So the market is to push to this level. First TP here, second TP would be probably be at this point, and the last TP should be on these highs. Sorry, third TP basically on that highs, because I'm expecting this index to buy more, to buy to this zone, basically the 500 level for short-term trade move. And I still expect long-term buys on this index, long-term bullish reversal basically on the Volatility 101S index in the coming days, in the coming weeks and months. Basically, let's see if the remaining months of this year would, if the bulls would take charge of the market of this particular index. Let's see what happens. So I expect the buy move on Volatility 101S index. You can see price is pushing back to the downside. Tell you how bad the market have actually been this week. The market haven't really been moving too good. But regardless of that, we have to still maintain our trading approach. You don't have to change anything. Just bad market conditions sometimes that makes the market go against us and all of that. So if this trade is to play out as predicted, if you have to get the buy move on this buy trade I took on the Volatility 101S index, I would give you guys an update on the results of this trade. So this is my view and expectations on this index. So for market breakdowns, like and market analysis, trade review basically, you want to smash the like button and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate your support for engaging in my videos. It means a lot, guys. Let's do more and do have a wonderful day.